Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of this Looper disposable vape. As you can see from the front of the box, we have a hybrid Looper limited edition. It's banana punch flavor, live bladder, 2 milligrams or 2000 milligram disposable vape containing HHC and THCP. The art looks cool, definitely eye-catching. On the side, we can see some warnings, such as this product has not been evaluated by the FDA. On the other side, there's additional government warnings. And on the bottom, we have a best by date of 3/25. And if we go to the back, you can see a longer description of the product and some of the same information that was on the front. It's also rechargeable. It has 0 cutting agents, and you must be 21 or older to buy this product. The Looper website is here, which is looperverse.com, and this product is manufactured for L&K distribution in California. The QR code will also take you to the website, which has lab results if you want to see it. Now let's open the box. So inside, we have a sealed package, so you know it has not been tampered with, and it comes with this card which says, "Welcome to the Looperverse. For disposable vapes, press the power button 5 times to turn on and off. Also press twice to preheat. Only preheat before first use or if a clogging occurs." Let's see, on the other side, we have the QR code again, which will take you to the website. So keep in mind, from the website, you can create an account, order directly from them. They do sometimes have discount codes, so I'd look for that if you plan on ordering them. And you can follow them on Instagram, Twitter, Discord, maybe some other ones. They host giveaways regularly, so definitely worth checking all that out. Now let's open this up, and we will do a quick test of the 5 push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. You can see it's lighting up. So this is ready to go, and I can enjoy it. So if you like these disposable vapes, if you like Looper, please let me know. If you have a favorite product, tell me what it is. If you have a least favorite, tell me what that is. And if there's any other unboxing you'd like to see, let me know. Thanks.